As an organization, we looked at several options, several vendors, and their product as it related to electronic dental records. And we decided on and made that choice for the EDR with the NextGen system, with the ease and the flow from rolling over the charges from that product to our EPM, as well as the smart notes that our providers use in entering in their information as they are treating their patients and completing their procedures. We've been with the NextGen since 2004, so we already had the electronic practice management system. But for the dentistry side, they had to actually chart, pull the patient's file, and then chart their procedures in that chart. Now then that we have the electronic system, they're able to enter in that information in the system, and then the charges actually roll over to the EPM system, which is less keying information on the EPM checkout side, and of course it's more efficient and effective on the electronic dental side because the provider is able to look at other notes and so forth from other providers. With quality of life having all three components of the electronic systems that they offer, our providers are able to see the patient's information from an EHR standpoint as well as the dental and compare the information, be able to look at the drugs that has been prescribed by our providers from the EHR system, and they're able to see what they're taking, and that benefits them from before they start their own procedures in the dental department. I would say from the dentistry side, one of the things they like the most is the smart notes. Our dental director was able to do the smart notes for all of the dentists, and so therefore, you know, it's a point and click and selecting the information that they want to use for that particular visit or for the procedure that they are completing for the day for that patient. That's one key element that they really like. The other part from my standpoint as the administrator of those electronic health records is the fact of support, and I feel that the product is only as good as the support. And we have a very good relationship with the support, and we have very few problems, and when we have to call, they're very quick to respond to our calls from the support department. So that's very helpful for us. The training process and the implementation process was very seamless for us and in our organization, and being able to provide the training. The staff, working with the staff with NextGen was very beneficial. They're very knowledgeable of the product and was able to help us implement that system like I say, very seamlessly. It didn't take a matter of just a couple of days for our staff to get acclimated to that system and to move forward and move it out across the other locations that we have. Because Quality of Life was able to attest that we were upgrading to NextGen's 5.6 version, certified version, we were able to incorporate our dentistry into that attesting, and were able to get our monies within 60 to 90 days after we attested to upgrading. And so because of NextGen and having the EPM and EHR systems, we were able to get the monies for our dentistry.